Hey guys, welcome to Ideal Tech Guru. My name is Vivek Kumar. Today I would like to share with you the to-do list application. I create this application using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. First of all, we discussed what is to-do list. So the to-do list is a simple but effective tool that helps individuals stay organized and manage their tasks more efficiently. So to create the to-do list, I use HTML to create a list element and CSS to style it to my liking. I added background color, font sizes and other styling elements which makes it attractive. Using JavaScript, I added functionality to the to-do list. User can add their task in the list and also mark them as a complete and also remove from the list. So first of all, we add some task on to-do list, then we discuss how to use it and how to work it. So added some task in to-do list. Just click this input box and type your task. Let's say I type go to gym. And to add this task in to-do list, just click this button, add button. So this task is successfully add, so message will be show task added successfully. Just click OK and this task will be added in my to-do list. Just we add some more tasks. So in this to-do list, I already add some basic tasks like go to gym, go to school and lunch at 2:45. These are the tasks which are done by me. Suppose that I done some basic tasks, then how to mark this task is already done. First of all, we discuss when we hover on this task, this background color will be changes. So when I will be done this task, just click on this task. There will be message task marked successfully. That means this task will be done by me. Then okay, click then okay. This task will be done. When this task will be done, the strike through on this task. So basic operation will be applied. Also we can filter this task. Filter, there is all tasks in which we see all the tasks in my to-do list, uncompleted, which task at that time not completed, and also we can see completed tasks. So filter completed, go to gym, this task done by me, so completed task will be so. Also there was a completed task which were done by me, so here total task also. So just go to filter and apply all tasks, so here all tasks will be so. And there was a two more option, and suppose that I complete all tasks, then I click complete all tasks, then this task will be completed, all tasks already completed. And click clear complete task, then the clear the complete task. Just I want to click on this go to school, so this task marked successfully like this message. So when I want to delete this message or this task in my list, so just click on this delete button, then we will be show message like this task delete successfully, and then click OK. So this task will be deleted in my to-do list. So basic operation will be applied on this list. You can type your task in this input box and click on add button, so this task will be added. There are some basic operation like complete all tasks, clear completed, and these are the filter apply on this to-do list, all uncompleted and completed. There are two more options which are used, so completed and total task. So overall, I believe that this to-do list application will be helpful anyone who need to keep track of their task and stay organization. Just we want to discuss their code, so just we jump to VS Code and discuss their code. So these are the code. First of all, we discuss HTML. So HTML will be basic, and style.css, in which we added some CSS. That means we apply some styling on my HTML. And JavaScript, these are the JavaScript file which generally add functionality to the to-do list. We already discussed how to work this function, define all the things in comment. If you want to see my code, then link in the description, you can go and check out my code. Thank you for the watching.